Hello and welcome. Hello. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Hey, wait, Dev. How's it going, mate? Why are the frames just... Oh, okay, it's the map. I really need to do something about that. There we go. No frame issues. Hey, half money. Did you get your game out? I know you're grinding on that currently. Hey Roger, how's it going? What are you coding on? What I've been coding on is the user interface. Not yet. Oh, I'm confident you can do it. Damn, I need to get rid of some of the grass. Because it's constantly in the background. Yeah, let's fix this. We can do this. It's a quick fix. Well, that's what I hope, right? I'm grinding on that. So, at least we can hope that it gets better. You should see the interface stuff I made like the last 2 days. Yesterday I totally broke my spirit on that. To then, with the help of Shadow, find the issue, which was a really dumb issue. And then just go on till 4 in the morning. Foliage. Yeah, that's exactly, that's the border. Here is where the seasons change. Now, yeah, let me just get into foliage mode, find my stuff and things, and quickly change that. Can remove a little bit of grass, right? Way too much grass. So Roger, what are you working on? How's your progress? Because I don't have any overview of that currently. Because someone decided I don't want to stream. Hang on, which thing was it? Well, do you know how boring my Saturday mornings are now? They're just work now, right? I get up, make cigarettes, drink a coffee and work. Usually I could enjoy a round of shenanigans with you. So why is this stuff? Change music with new energy and motivation, and maybe a demo. Please no polka. Well, you can decide actually. Let me... There you go. Which one of those music genres do you want? Let me just quickly put the camera there so the frames are back. Yeah, I need to run some optimization on the whole scene. Maybe do this today. So, we have blues, we have chill EDM, we have chill guitars, we have chill jazz, chiptune, country, happy EDM, hip hop, hype bass, synthwave. Well, it's Rogers. Oh, Shadow. No, you redeemed that. Excuse me. Chill guitar. It is for you, right? Excuse me, I didn't see that. So yeah, let me just use my foliage brush to get rid of some of the grass. It's not a paint density of wait. Oh. Yeah, that's good music, right? For coding and stuff. Oh, erase density, that's what we're looking for. Oh, it doesn't give two shits what I'm doing here. Ah, okay. Less is more, so we just halved it. He said, put in 55. Because he's on caffeine. Doesn't change any. There we go. I guess there are too many trees in this direction. Now we should get some frames back. Also get the thing, it's about the texturing of the plants itself. There we go. Look at this. No, it doesn't give any. There are way too many trees in this direction. Let's get rid of some trees. Just a few little trees. Just remove a few friends. They're just a few, god damn it. My tree's back. Alright, let's see if this is better. It looks more natural now. Some reason, but the frames are still. Yeah, what did I... Oh, here it's good now. The problem is somewhere in the northeast corner. So what I did the last few days is this. So what we have is the equipment changing interface. I started on Wednesday and then I just kept on going and then I broke it and then we repaired it and now we're here. We have this little cute boot up screen now, and if you click a character now we have this. Yeah, I just did this like in the last hour before I streamed. It's working. Not just, it's really working. Holy, that's the second bot today. What the fuck is happening? Yeah, Shadow it took a while yesterday, but holy. So the problem was that I spawned in characters and used the information, but I spawned them below the map, so they fell into the void and were deleted. Or the engine couldn't find them. That was the whole problem. So yeah, actually I planned on doing this in the stream, but apparently it's done. So what the fuck are we doing now? No, what I actually was working on at 3 in the morning for like an hour was this boot up screen because it wouldn't work. And I was looking for some boot up screens, right? So I can get the text in, but I was googling and searching and searching and searching until I asked someone where to get it, and in this moment I was like, I can just ask ChatGPT. Half money, you enjoy your lurking. Get the game out. You provide just some jokes and occasional jokes and some chill music. Oh. Yeah, my frame's so bad in this. Oh, I think I get it. That'll do. Always good that someone is providing the coffee for the stream. Can't just take all the coffee, think of the others. So what I don't like is the jumpiness of this text block. And it jumps because of this number. Oh, thank God we're on DevRow stream, and if there's one stream where you get a load of coffee, it's right here. Alright, so let's check on the jumpiness. And yes, there are a bunch of Easter eggs in the loading screen that I wrote yesterday. Being tired. So if you find some wrong translated words for everyone in the chat who speaks Latin, you can tell me and I will change it. I'm pretty sure there is like no one. Well, White Dev maybe a little bit, but he would Google stuff. What if I just set them to fill? It should work, right? We make them left bounded and fill. And it should left bound. Yeah, they're not the same, right? But of course they're not the same. I mean, yeah, it's also not meant that the wrong translations are the Easter eggs, but they are Easter eggs in the text. And if you find something wrongly translated, then you can tell me. Let's check on that. Well, children, I made it worse. So if we just right-bound it, it's wrong because now it's disgusting. Not even that bad, right? Yeah, that's not what I wanted. Oh, I got idea. Huh. I got an idea. First of all, we need to set them all to column 2. Because on column 1 we make a border that is invisible. if I'm correctly now, right? Then this should fix all our issues. 2, 3, 4. So what are you all up to? Tell me stuff. Welcome back, Shadow. So all those borders, right? Yes. A new video. What new video are you talking about? Who is Leo? What is happening? Oh, I need to stretch the whole thing, right? That's what she said. Yeah, that's the level we are working on currently. Nah, they're left and right. Right, I think I know him. Yes, I know this guy. Does he also make songs with his daughter? He needs a female voice. I think that's the guy. Yeah, I know him. See? I'm not totally musically illiterate. I know stuff from the internet. So let's put this also on top. What is that? Sure, I'm sorry. Hmm. What do I know? If we just stretch this. Who needs frames anyway, right? Why don't I make a horizontal box? And put 2 of those in there. Know what I mean? But yeah. And let's try this. So we have this horizontal box. We put this one in there. And for the normal viewer nothing changed. For me it means the world. Now we can get rid of this. Now we can duplicate this. Rid of everything. Yeah? And hope it doesn't crash. Ta-da! So of course now the rows are different. No, they are not. Columns are different. I mean, it could look better already, right? Not done. I'm not done yet. I mean, the base pretty much works, okay. Also can get rid of those. I should just change the widget, make the widget to 1. So we don't need to click all the time. Alright, so you're at 0, 0 and you are left bound. That's good. But you are going till column. Up to columns. Don't work anyway. Now the cool stuff happens, right? Actually no, but I pretend there is some cool secret stuff happening now. First of all, we rename stuff. Because I'm as confused about this like anybody else. Let me take a border. And this border will do this. Because now we can have this left bound and this right bound. Then we put this horizontal box. On nothing. We check how it looks. That was the first half an hour of the stream going. Time's running today. Off. I recently learned that you can have one swear word in a PG-13 movie. Then they were talking about Lord of the Rings, where they would have put it. And there were some really good ones. But not on YouTube. Yeah, but on Hollywood movies, right? I think that's quite something. And I think the best one they had was the one where they're in Moria. And what's his name? The actor that always dies on screen. Oh, what's his name? Well, it appears so. Sean Bean, yes. And they say, hey, imagine Sean Bean turning around in Moria and going, we got a cave troll, mate. I think that was the best one. If I stretching, yes, that's what I was looking for. now it should look good. Um. Did they do it just for the joke? No. Did you hear that there's a Nicolas Cage movie coming out about Nicolas Cage? Where he's played by Nicolas Cage. Which I think is the best character to play Nicolas Cage. Lord of the Rings will miss the Bean?
You are master of your craft, my friend. Allow me a few days to work mine. I have not been truthful with you.
You would have made this role so much better.
To Khazad-dûm for friendship, but ambition. I did not know it. But I came for Mithra.
You have not seen what I have seen.
I have.
Is it a movie? Excuse me, I don't have time to hang around 9gag all day. Isn't there like this one cover? Yo, Jonas, how's it going? How's your feedback going? I played a few rounds yesterday, but I don't feel comfortable yet to make a final decision. Oh, there was this movie poster where they just replaced every face with Nicolas Cage, and it took you like solid 5 minutes to see that. Because Nicolas Cage can just play any role, right? Oh, that's nice to hear. So I'm not really good at your game, that's a massive problem for me. The frame's so shit. I removed trees and all. I'll figure out later. What I think I should do is change the value. It's the finish. Oh, the cargo ships. I tried to what's the right word? Cheese my way through it, and no chance. Now you can actually defeat the big ones really easy if you just get around the corner over and over. Today we do this widget, which I currently try to make pretty. So the data filling works. Christmas emails? What? Hey Sammy, how are you doing? I'm at 101,000 points in semi-stream, right? And I will go up to 110, and then I buy two of the most expensive things you can get from her. It's not far away. Oh no, not working. You need to stream. Working sucks. Auto. Yeah, because I'm the parade German, right? The one you point at if you say that's a German. I have the work ethic of a Greek. Is that racist? I may or may not have worked. Okay, maybe you're right, right? So, Jonas, what? Oh yeah, let me give you a shout out. What are you doing these days? Just chilling a while after the stressful time? Sammy likes my sexy leg.
If I ever stop laughing at this, you have permission to come to my house and shoot me.
Okay, yes. Okay. That's quite a statement. So what were you talking about? That's what I want to know. Yes. Second sector in the hub world. Yeah, I remember this one map role where I was like, there's this area, this cloud on the map, and I had like 3 in a row and no way out. There's never enough content. That's true, yes. You know, I want to talk about this problem with the widget expert in my community, but I am the widget expert in this community, so I will just proceed to talk to myself then. You know what's interesting? Since I restarted coding to work on that, I neglected Hack and Plan like instantly. I really need to put in some stuff there. Was just like, yeah, okay. I need to code, I don't have time for that. So okay, we have this one, right? And this one should actually just fill in the stuff. And this one needs to fill in. This one can go on auto. No, it should actually. Yes, exactly, right. So if I'm like in blueprints I didn't do, I actually make comments so you see what I added. And I just rely on the fact that you know which functions you did. Oh right, I could also make colorful functions. I could. Okay, so now we don't need to have this on full and we can leave this to auto. We don't even need this, I think. Well, we leave it there. Yes, the concept still works. I was close to breaking the whole system. Just give me time. That's all I need. Maybe I'm just doing this wrong. What if just do this? Someone doing interfaces for living wants to beat my head in with a crowbar. I can feel that. Hey, if it's stupid and it works, then it's stupid. Huh? No. So we leave it like that. Just put in more of those. To minimize the pixels, it jumps from left to right. At least I don't do math anymore. Figure out an interface. Ah, f off. Why is it so jumpy now? It jumpy earlier. I think I got it. I need to have this one also left bound and this one left bound. No, I think I'm just a little bit. I think it's not even possible what I tried to do here. Without changing the whole system. Because they're just longer words. What? Oh, I got it. Got it. I got it. I got it. I think I got it. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Me. Put a scale box in here, right? Actually, White you think that's funny, right? But there's actually a value that's called even longer value. Because it's just how we roll around here. So, and now we have the width. If we put this to Evan or Evan? Evan Longwords. Is it really good fantasy name for someone? Haha! Haha! Mad genius! It works! There's a typo in the data table. Well, I'm running out of of easy stuff to do, so we might need to tackle a real problem soon. Everyone in the government ever. Alright, where's my hero table? Units. Infantry hero is. So there's double. Yeah. Did somebody notice that the characters are always standing somewhere else? Because I actually forgot that I did this. Until I saw it. Because I will make the main menu a little bit more interactive, right? Not interactive, more living. Every time you go to the main menu, it will randomize who is where, is doing what. And the vehicles you unlocked will be settled there. Which is pretty much born out of a necessity. Oh, you know what? Oh, that made it. It's not the shadows, okay? Not the wireframe. Why does this look so good? So it's a winter game now. It's a hard winter. Yeah, so I think it's something about the trees. I could make a copy of this map. Just remove all the foliage. Hey Arte, how is it going? What are you up to? Yeah, let me just do this, right? Because then we can have a way chiller stream. Main menu, duplicate, test main menu. It should be directly duplicated, so if I press play here, it just works. Alright, so now can just get rid of the foliage now. Yeah, we got our frames back. Should just change everything for desert. People think we're in a desert. It's maybe a good idea. Let me quickly assemble that. Because I think that's funny. Copilot? Is that a program? Or do you need a second man to code? So I have the second man that should code. Oh, that's this. AI coding plugin. Oh. This is the same. You should change stuff. Game demo is so hot right now. Ah, yes. Others currently doing his alpha demo. Do you have clips by now? I really need to. I know I say this all the time, but I really need to get you some clips rolling. It's missing stuff. Right. You know, if you put in the right material and the right override base material, yeah, that's a good idea. It's still missing stuff. You know what? It's alright. So that's in your main menu. It's very simplified, because simplified menus always make sense. Here they are, all frames, so it's the foliage. And that's the old menu. We might change this stream, but what I was working on recently was the change equipment window, because it's an existential part of the game. I could have even showed you the boot up sequence. Hang on. There's the widgets widget. It is default is 0. There we go. Okay, out there. Watch out, watch out. So you go and change, and then it writes this boot up text, and then you're basically done. And yes, it took me about an hour to program this, and that's why I'm showing it the whole day to everyone who asked how my UI is going. So yes, so we have this text. I might change some colors around, but then I need to rich text. But we could actually use a rich text system for the whole game. So, and then you can click your character and you can have some details like his equipment, which is actually filled. Yes, those are placeholder icons, but yeah, it gets filled from the character and what he's currently having on him. Those values are derived from the character, and those are from the character. Yeah, that's about it. It sounds so little when I speak about it, but it was like multiple days of work. You know what I miss in AI created content? So we have music, we have art, we have 3D, we have text. Oh, yes. Yes, and I hope you appreciate it. I mean, this was easy. I did this like an hour. Like in an hour. But this took ages because I had this bug I was running into and it was just not working. And then Shadow showed up. Was like, yeah, let me look at this. And then we found it. Oh, yeah. It's so she shoots so good, like many men. I probably have written it wrong everywhere, but there's just one area where I need to change it, which is in the character. Thank you very much. At least there are no typos in my Latin. Where the hell? Can I say hell, White Death? Or do you need to censor this as well? Hell. Hell! No, the opposite of heaven. Yes, exactly. Hell is okay. Yes, Arthur. So yeah, I have. Well, I also have the options menu. Let me show you this in a moment before I forget to change this text. Hang on. I will be right with you. No, not AI. Units, that's where I wanted to go, and then infantry, and then heroes, and then here it is, and here we have this, which has it out, and now if I do this and change it and save this, then now it should be. So yes, there's also the options screen that is working. Somewhat needs a redesign for sure, because it's still the overcomplicated old design. And we also have the credits. I think the camera should be a little bit faster. Yes, so everything you can click currently works. I can start a mission, I can go back. Well, those are not buttons yet, because we don't have the other campaigns done. So those will be videos. This will be the mission. So it's the beginning sequence and the ending sequence of them. Well, it's supposed to be a computer screen. It's actually a tablet. Yeah, it will have some texture representing that. We can basically go into the screen, but for that I need to finish the interface so I can make a screenshot of that and just plop it in there. Damn, we're running out of bullshit to do. So, yeah, we actually need to think about how to do this. So if we look at the widget, right, what we can do right now. Right, if we go here, infantry. So this is your equipment that your character got. So if we go to this one, this would be an inventory of sorts. If you click something here, you see all the items you got. And then we do some drag and drop. Alright, you enjoy your sun time. And I see you maybe later, if you're still streaming. Or if you're gonna stream. Oh, I got a follow from Portugal. Why didn't the thingy go on? Where are my alert boxes? Good work. So actually, this should be hidden all the time. Show some sort of storage box. Rep. Bum. I hate that they changed it. So yes, widgets which are one, always the same. This border also can change its color to this, so we have everywhere the same. Yeah, it would be a uniform grid panel. You know what? I go for a short break. We'll be back in like 5. Then I probably have a solution. Shall be right back. And I'm back. Yeah, I made this way more complicated in my head than it should be. It's just the uniform grid that fills with widgets. Those widgets are just pictures with a value. Because the values of the weapons don't change. Unreal rocks. Let me, how's your project going? Making good progress? Let's put it in the right folder. And it's widget underscore equipment. Item. So, and this is just a border. It goes on diet. And it has an image. Now let's put the border in a border. Make this one border. Made much progress this week. Oh no! What was the issue? How did you solve it? Let's make this images 50-50. Let's get a pretty one. Have a box or something? Well, yeah, it's a placeholder. Ah, okay. Yeah, that happens. That happened to me as well, where Unreal Engine was crashing. And it was because I made a new map. And while it was saving the map, it crashed. So both maps were gone. Brush from texture. Item icon. So what we also need is two values. We need type. Type. Oh, please tell me I have something for that. To have something like that. Category? I don't believe that I didn't do that, because that would be fatal now. Where are my data tables? Equipment. Oh. Can I work around this? Arc. I have weapon type. I would need item type. Yeah. Damn it. Well. What kind of pizza did you get? Because I'm having pizza today, and it will be taco pizza. Making it myself. Enum underscore item type. So we have helmets. We have armor. We have uniform. We also have The one with pineapple. Weapon. We have item. Helmet, armor, uniform, weapon, usable item. Projectiles. Pizza is nice. Okay, so now we can use this value. And I think I just change it on creation then. Yeah, we will find a way. I'm confident we are able to solve this issue. Wow. Exposed on spawn. Instance editable on spawn. But of course now we need something like a carrier of informations, an array with all the weapons you have in your inventory. And the frame's so bad in this area, like nothing behind it. Those two rocks. Shadow, how would you do that? How would you store 3 values in an array? Make an object? Into your pizza? Just staring into it. So I have the item name, the item type, and the item icon. If I can store them inside an array, then I can get them out to create those widgets, because I then just need to change the value of the character. Make a U object. Okay. Then we shall do this. I think our whole system is currently collapsing right in front of my eyes. Can I just store some random enum name? inside the blueprint folder? So the next problem I'm having, I don't know why I did this, is that enum is an enum, right? I have the infantry weapon. I have the infantry weapon. But I then also need like usable items. Wow. There it is. Just need to learn to write. So I may have more values. Then I just sort it by the type. Oh, an integer. And then I can sort that by the weapon type, by the item type. Then I have the icon. Which is 2D texture. No, it's 2D texture. Object reference, not an array. Okay. They're instance editable and they're exposed on spawn. They are exposed on spawn. Exposed on spawn. Yes. Okay, so if we have now this widget, right? Well, we need an array of U items in the game instance. Their inventory. So first of all, no, we have it already. Okay, so yeah, I still need in the interface function to get items in and get items out and get all items out. Yes, so we got this. Remove item to inventory. That's a perfectly valid sentence. That inventory. That's an X array. I add the interface. No, wait, I can just use as an array. It. Oh no, damn it. So and then remove item. Point. Remove. X. Could work. Let's get back to the spawner and just add some random items and see what we get. That should fill the next hour. Because then we start debugging. Damn, I need more coffee. Bum 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 bum. Let's just make this as an array, right? Just randomly add items. Just need to guess really good. No, hang on. Need to create an item. I just totally brain farted. I have no clue. Let's think. Um. Yes. Yes, music is tired. So if I put an item in here, right? There's like nothing I can do. That's not the way to go. Oh, I got it, What I did wrong, right? Is if I create an item, I need to create it inside item. Oof, and add item. So that's wrong. Can I just do create object? SU object. No. Yes. No. So if I do it like this, right? Then every object also has an inventory of itself. Is no good. So we can get rid of this. Why is icon an array? Supposed to be an array. Per. You aren't in which is item ID. Then also what we need is item type. What we also need is the icon, which is texture 2D. Let's add to inventory. That is that. Because we store them inside stuff. Ah yeah, right. New item. And then we get game instance. Nice, Sammy. Wait, F, yeah, I'm slowly breaking. I have some thinking error in here. And I don't know which one. Can't get the game instance. Side of here. Where do I store this? I mean, we can try the rubber ducking. So, if I want to have an object, right? Then I call this function add item. Then an item with those three values gets added as a uItems to an area I apparently need to have here. Because there's no other way around a player inventory. So we get this and then we add this to it. I said it's new item. Change variable type. Off. So theoretically, it works. Now we add items. Then on remove we can then just do this, remove item. Yeah, and if we want the inventory, we just do this and boom. Zack, boom. And now, if we want to create an icon, an inventory item, get the game instance. And this has everything we need, like add item. So we get the add item to inventory. This now randomly would create stuff. And add it to an array. What I'm concerned about is that we have multiple objects and everyone would hold an array with itself in it, which would consist of an array that contains itself, which would consist of an array that contains itself, which would consist of an array that contains itself. Here's where your frames go. So I think we have a redundancy. Hey, Mavis. So I would need like some outside force or some outside actor that holds the array. So we always have the same array. But the uObject is part of the game instance, which means I can't just use the game instance for that. Yeah, me too, dude. The music is making me really sleepy. So, game instance has player inventory. Which means if I just return the item, right, like unlock character, but I return it and put it. I think I got it. So what kind of music do you want to hear? blues, we have chill EDM, we have chill jazz, chiptune, country, happy EDM, hip hop, hype bass, and synthwave. Yes, I think I got it now. Add item to inventory. Yeah, it can't be as bad as the Polka Day. No. Player inventory, get. You know what? Create. Object. Tomorrow 100 days celebration stream. 100 days of what? Pain and suffering? Oh! So yeah, I was close. 100 days of the project. Nearly 100 days on a project. Holy. It's nearly a third of the first year. Construct object of class. I think I got it now, right? And the class is this. Put this there, we put this there, we put this here. Then we get and add. That should make an inventory, so we don't need it in the object. Yes. So now we can get the inventory all the time from the thing game instance. That should work. Also means so we can keep this, but get inventory. We don't need this anymore. So we get this, we get this item. Pretty sure that this won't work right in this instance, but it actually just holds the informations. I don't even need this. It just creates the things. Do I need this? Oh, I'm not good with interface. It's a pretty smart system. You know what you're doing. Yeah, we just have this object now and we just try our best. That's all we can do right now, right? But I can always call the game instance to create some items. No. Okay. You know what, we just... we can't even guess. Doesn't make sense. So we take this helmet now, we take it for everything. Armor. So now we should have 2 items, right? If we just do this. On event construct. No, on event construct for now. Get a game instance. It would be on this complete. Is your pizza now baked, or you missed all my pain and suffering? Yes. Yes to both. Well, there's a value called player inventory. Why can't I call it in the widget? Yeah, so I still need to get inventory stuff, and it will be just... It will be good, and it... Get player inventory. Just has an output which is the U items, and they are arrays. And if we call the message of get player inventory, and we give it the player inventory, for this, then this happens. This may or may not work. Currently I'm as confused as you are. Don't you worry. Get player inventory message. We send the message, we receive an answer. And then we go into a for each loop. And for all of them, right, we create a widget. Just for testing purposes, alright? I want to get the whole interface stuff down before we get into what actually happens here. Which is called equipment item. Get the icon. Yes. Get the type. Get new var. And then we get the thing, which is called inventory, which is a variable. Add child uniform grid divided by, I don't know, like 5. Also modulo this by you know, I have no clue what module actually does, but I know it works. So if it works or not, I will go for smoke. Nobody can stop me. No, we got 2 items. Thumbs up. Yes, I'll be right back. I think that was my biggest concern. Be right back. And I have returned. Alright, with this system running, can do all the stuff. For instance, can we now put them all besides each other? Realize that they are way too small. Schmoll. What we can do make the image bigger. It's too big. So need to visually separate this, I think. I think that would be smart. Wrap this border. Go. 4. That should be much better. Also need to do is in this we change that to 2 and 2. So With this sorter we need some sort of item randomizer with something to work with. Just make a throwaway function. And random items. Just do a for loop. First is 0, last is, let's say, 20. Random int in range. Oh, that doesn't work. Different idea. Very different idea. I have this function somewhere. Which the on click of the character button. There we have like 50% of the code done already. The annoying part at least. Up. Let's fill equipment. Oh yeah, I took it out like last week or something. Because no one was using that anyway. And I got stuck on a side project. Oh, the project is still there. As you can see, it's still there. So we need this, all of this, right? Because then we can get the to enum and the icon. That's what we need. Oh wait, Dev, what would your parents say when they knew how long you take to edit a video? Your cousin edits video in 5 minutes. You failure. Taken hours. Your cousin made video of content that's not even existing yet. So we don't need this. Can't do this. You don't even have cousin. Hiya. What a failure. So, don't need this. If you want my comeback, you have to scrape it off your mom's teeth. Switch on int. So now we build ourselves a randomizer. You will see. We don't need this. Don't need any of this. This is actually the annoying part, the centerpiece here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We said meant 6. Random integer in rank 0 to 5. That meant actually 5. Random array item. All right. Like that and like that. Like that. Two. Is it just to string? Yeah, that's a byte value. Dunkelgrau wants to. You know a lot of German curse words, and I'm sure of that. So, which one could we take? Kevin. And yes, that's a curse word in Germany, because we know that everyone who's named Kevin is Dick. That's a fact. Hello Dunkelgrau, how are you doing? How are you? What are you up to? Tiredness. Yeah, pretty much. But if I call you an Alpha Kevin, then that could hurt your feelings potentially, right? Yeah, hey, yo, the f dude, calm down. See? No, I tried to make an inventory system. Well, I'm not trying anymore. Just doing it. Now I have enough of trying and failing, so just do it now. Now I make an item randomizer so I have something to work with and values in the inventory. Damn, I'm stupid. I need this. I need this value, not the other one. Ugh. So how's your project coming along, Grau? Did you manage to get the dog to use his legs? I think you were on that last time I watched, at least at the end. Come on, give me that. Thank you very much. I still need to do a local variable for that thing. Set. What is the access and play? The last thing I did was to write the code. Coding a cutscene. Okay. Helmets, armor. We have uniforms. Then we have weapon. Then we have projectiles. And then we have items. Yeah, and while we're at it, we also need to do this. But that's a little bit easier. Set and failed. By the way, you really nailed the aesthetic of the PlayStation 1 era. The slight screen blur. Why are there two? Eek. Recently I saw a good video of a streamer where he explained what the best insult was he ever got as a streamer. And he said it was when he started streaming, he always looked at the chat and The whole stream there was just one comment, which was stop looking at chat, there's nothing new. Division so 11 modulo 4 would result in 3 because 4 can fit 2 whole times in. Okay. On its 16 mod 15 is 10, yeah. Because the leftover would be 10, which doesn't fit the 15. Yeah, okay, I know. Remember what it does. Okay, so if I did everything correctly, which I think we did not, then damn, time's flying. Holy shit. We got a bunch of items. Go and youth. Go and youth my ass! So we also can modulo 2 more in there. Oh yeah, I had to remove the trees because it was lagging as hell today. It's a copy of the main menu. Holy. Yeah, let me get an extra hydrate in. Because then the bottle is also empty. So if anyone else wants a hydrate, I need to get up. And use my legs like the plebs. Like the peasants. So yeah, we have items and they're randomized. Of a PP timer? What are you talking about? His prevention timer. Yes! There's a reason for that. You know, every rule got a reason. Yeah, the good old download waiting time. So that's good that this works. So that's actually pretty f***ing amazing. Abusive redeems. There are plenty of redeems I removed because people were abusing them, right? It's just like the water timer. I was running through 1.5 bottle of water in like the first hour. Because people thought it would be funny. And then I had to piss like every 10 minutes. Because if I don't drink water, I drink coffee. Or like the... Oh, what was the other thing? I had Truth or Dare, where Shady just was abusing it. Or just ran around is mean, I don't even have a topic. Why can't you just pick a topic? That will get time, definitely. Can't just make me rant all the time. I might be driven by revenge, but I'm not a hateful person. Why can't people just pick a topic, huh? There's so much topics out there to rant, huh? Your favorite game? Your anime game addiction? That's topics I can rant about. Now I'm about ranting, right? Yes, exactly. There's no class in just shooting them, right? They need to have forgotten about you, and then you show up and they're like, wait, I remember you, and then you just plop a bullet. Not you, I'm not talking about you, White Death. You don't have an anime game addiction. You have a corporate game company addiction. Always playing the same game day in, day out. Let me guess. Oh, you're not playing currently. I'm surprised. Don't you have something to do? Like playing the same map over and over again in the hope something changes? So. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you have anime games. Like at least one. I do stuff you should be capable of, cause you lazy ass cannot wrap 10 minutes around it. I don't have 10 minutes. Every time I now take off my day, I take out of my sleep. Yeah, if I find 20 minutes, I will use them to scream in agony. I have a little bit of sleep left, yeah. I was up at 9 today. Now you can do the math, right? You see when my last push was. It was around 3:30. I imagine I sleep. And that's more than enough. What was I about to do? Right. When I plop in this, yes, modulo, no, wait, was it? In row? No, in column 7. Should be more than enough. That's not the right. 75, yeah, that's gonna look like trash. And it's true, who the f wants to dream about work? What the f is that? 7 by 7? That's the right answer? Ain't that fancy? So what we now need to do is give those icons on clicks. So if you click, it will change this to all items that are helmets. If I click this and that and this and this and that. isn't not even that you know, tough things. I can't just rebuild this. I can just get the return value equals. Yes. Collapse the function. Then we make a custom event. I'm on fire! So we go search inventory. It gets its own game instance thingy. Now we can remove this. Hey Bobby! Well, the trick is working 8 hours a day on it. And having support. And currently it's even more. So yes, it's hard work and dedication. Now I'm doing the math. I think it's definitely more than 8 hours a day. Yeah. So that's all. Right. I have Shadow who helps me with the coding. Actually 2 people working on it. And yeah, I mean that's just the main menu. Can also go on level 1, 2 and 3. You want to see those. That mission. Take some time to load. I hope it's working. Yes, it is indeed. So we have a full level. We have Fog of War. Oh yeah, I wanted to write down this back. And what really helps is hack and plan. Did this guy just turn? I think I saw that. So yeah, we have a bunch of gameplay already. Currently I want the player to be able to change the vehicle and the equipment before they start. That could be, yeah. So now we lead this outside. And thank you, Bobby. So yeah, if you want to hang out and see what amazing speed we are going forward, just throw me a follow, hang out. And also all blueprints. All blueprints. I hear often the argument that blueprints are like what was it? Blueprints are you can't do everything with blueprints, but that's bullshit. You can do like 99.9%. Can you do easily with blueprints? So whenever somebody says you can't do everything with blueprints, that's a lie. You're just too narrow-minded to find an alternative way, I think. I'm full uncomfortable that you can do everything you want, the whole game, with blueprints. Hang on, why did I do this? We need to check if item type equals hang on. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. No, not really. But as you might remember, White Dev, I really suck at coding. I was like, hey, blueprints, I can do that. I can be game dev. Get. Thanks for the follow, Bobby, by the way. Yeah, for some reason my alerts don't work. I don't know what's going on there. But welcome to the gang. I mean, Bobby, that's not even half you see, right? The data tables are done. I have written big parts of the story already. A lot of the 3D models are done. Yeah, I know. Yes. I was head of an IT department. I know that. Yes. Yes, actually there is. I asked a good friend of mine with experience in both engines, or in multiple engines. He also looked at CryEngine and so on. I asked him, so dude, which one should I pick? And he said, you specifically should go for Unreal, because of the blueprint system. Thank you, Bubby. And that's why I went there. And these days I see why he did this, because recently I watched a stream of 6 hours where somebody was researching light solutions in Unity. And I was like, yeah, that's like 2 clicks in Unreal and you have the same result. Why did I watch this for 6 hours? I mean, yeah, because of the streamer, but still. I don't know why everyone thinks that Unity is so much more beginner friendly. Because my experience was the exact opposite. Also the argument, you have much more tutorials. It's like 5-year-old argument. I can go to YouTube to Ryan. How the command works. I can go there and he shows me how to make a complete gameplay. Or all of the gameplay. Oh no! Hey, Jonas, right? You can do Unity stuff. But I'm just speaking from my experience. Unity, I didn't see any land, right? I was open sea there. And that's why I went for Unreal. And I started to follow like Ryan Laley's tutorials. And that's how I understood it. He shows everything in blueprints. And I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. And now look what I can do. Right. I think Unity is just more public longer. I wouldn't even say it's around longer. It looks at it's a very simple system for complicated stuff, and that's what I like. So if I click now, I can call this function and it should work. Reload inventory. On the other hand, Jonas, what was your reason to go with Unity? Or Dunkelgrau? Why did you choose? What are you even using? Are you using Godot? Yes, right? I bet there's some old school coders who are really pissed off that they had to. I'm using Godot, yes. A FOSS guy? What is a FOSS guy? Fork all software solutions. Yeah, you see. I think that's kind of the future of this all. Free and open source software. Ah, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I see that. But I like Unreal, right? And by now I'm really fast with the systems I can build. I mean, I made a card game in like a week. Like not your standard card game, but a city builder card game. Yeah, it's not the engine, right? We are just using different tools for the same job. We all dig our own grave. We just use different shovels. Nah, I don't think so. I think if any company of the engine producers has a squad, it's Epic. They just send somebody out to kill you while you're waiting at a traffic light. Oh, the code is on GitHub, really? You are the goblin to all the gnomes in engineering. That's such a good comparison. See, you can make your own Unreal Engine. Let's click on compile. So, alright. helmet underscore click. And we set it to handled. Give me a moment, we just try if this, or check if this reload inventory. Get game instance. And then we set it to helmet. So if I am correct, which I doubt. Like I always do. It works. It works. It works. Can just fix this with making a local array. Yeah, let's just do the local array. If it's true, then we create a local array. Local variable. Local array. Array? Yes, array. New item. So I just want to get this running before 6, which is in 12 minutes. Get. If it's true, we just add this. On complete, do all those shenanigans. On. Get. For each complete. This goes there, this goes there. Don't need this here. Yeah, they went on a shopping trip recently. Get icon. Get type. New var. Get new var. Oh yeah, we get really good trees recently. Oh yeah, soon there's new free stuff, right? So if I did everything correctly, which I doubt, then this works. Yeah, so that's how you set up an auto sorting system, inventory system. Now I just need to repeat this. I can do this. Let's just do it. There's no need to wait. And then next time, or well, tonight I can start on a drag and drop. See? Bobby, that's how you make progress. Just never stop. Just keep pushing. rename armor click. So I know I shouldn't say this, but I'm kind of proud of what we did today. I mean, that's pretty much more than I wanted to do. What I wanted to do is the skill stuff, which I just finished in the hour before the stream. Now we're here. That was the stuff I wanted to do this evening. Or night, better. Said. So that's the moment where you can push my ego, right? You're like, yeah, damn. Smartest person alive. Something like that. I mean, my ego is through the roof anyway, so I really can't add much. What the input blocks belong? And these? Alright, yeah. I will fix that. So on item 1 button down. It's absolutely irrelevant. I do this. Because now I just need this. Because this gets basically the same binding, right? On item 1. OCD kicks in. Yeah, that's something. So, Bobby, what are you working on? Which engine do you use? Tell us about stuff and things, please. Got a few minutes left. Pretty much, I got a good little community here. You have people who work with Unity, with Unreal. You have people who make their own engines. You have Godot people. Oh, I mean, I have all the people, right? So, wouldn't be surprised if you do like RPG Maker or Game Maker. But I have a meme if you make games with Game Maker. So, rename all of them. Shots fired. Definitely. So yeah, my good friend who was here, Arte, doesn't have any of the engines. He just made it himself, and it's quite something, I would say. Yeah, it makes coding really easy. I agree on that. On rename item click. Weapon. Weapon. open. Click. Click. Somebody just might notice my keyboard was too much to the left. Uniform. Click. So I guess we still need to clean the children. But it should work. Yes. So yeah. Now I'm a mad genius. Reload the inventory. So first step before we do anything in here is clear children. Let's get rid of all the children. And now it works. Inventory system is auto sorting. Oh, we don't have helmets. We have guns. We have armor, a lot of armor. Items. I'm a mad genius. Yeah. So. Yeah, that's really good. I like that. I like that a lot. I can't wait to finish this up. But it is 6 on a Sunday. You know what that means. I'm hungry and I need to make pizza. So I will do that. Yeah, we can. Well, at this point I can't tell you what we do on Wednesday. If we do it like last stream, we just annoy the guy who cuts my YouTube videos by just swearing, talking about questionable stuff. That's the Wednesday streams. 10 PM Central European Time. So wer Berlin und Rom are. If not, we see each other on next Sunday, right? From 3 to 6. If you miss me in the meantime, you can watch my YouTube. Or you join my... you can... Yes, we will raid. I was just about to ask. If somebody wants any raid target, you can tell me. Of course, Roger, of course. I closed the window already. Huh. Roger, the f wrong with you? Alright, let me just get you a random fact. I had one earlier, right? And a hydrate, of course. Yeah, I can't do a curse one. Roger, are you bored? Is it dead? What do you want me to do? Oh, there's water. I see water. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, so. Code Red, yeah, we can do that. Code Red is working on 2D Dark Souls, as it is described very often. I wouldn't know why you would down talk your game like that, but yeah, it's a roguelike. It's very dark. His monster designs are superb. Yes, we will do that. We raid our good friend Code Red. So, but before we do that, I need to comply to Roger's demands. So, dude. Random fact. The longest word you can spell in English that has its letters in correct alphabetical order is aegelipos, which sounds very Greek, if you ask me. So, and a German swear word. You know a lot of German swear words. Fischkopf. Written as follows. It is a term used for people living in North Germany. And it's a derogatory term. So they don't like that if you do that, but they use it themselves. It's basically like the N-word. Not with all the historical stuff behind it, but yeah. You can use it if you live in the north, but if you're not living in the north and use it, it's a swear word. Or an attack. I hope you enjoyed my... Oh wait, I need to /raid. Raid Code Radegames. Oh, I don't use it because I also hate it when people call me that. It's like Nordlicht. Yeah, no, fuck off. Who the fuck do you think you're talking to, huh? So, I hope you enjoyed my stream, I hope you had fun, I hope you learned something. For instance, that an inventory system is really easy to make if you know what you're doing. Which I didn't, and I still did it. So, yeah. You all have a great week, I hope to see some of you on Wednesday. Wednesday streams are usually the more fun ones because I don't work as much and I'm more chat talkative. I'm not really concentrating on the stuff. I anticipate doing nothing at all. I just work because there's some frame for the stream. Maybe we play some games in the near future. How about that, huh? And ask around on my Discord. The Discord link is down in the description. So, I see you all next time. Bye bye.
I want to talk to you.